one way is just getting around people that can teach you,
Right.
educate you, right? Because when you know better, you do better. I mean, it's
True.
simple. It sounds, you know what I'm saying? When you know better, you do better, right? And it's a better way. Like you can actually live a life. Here's the crazy part: you can actually live a life where somebody else pay for your lifestyle, right? Most people on here that know me, they know I don't pay for hardly anything. I'm spending money every day, but guess what? Somebody else paying for it. How can I leverage other people's money? OPM, other people's money.